Hi, SJ here with a very important safety issue update for the 2018 Kawasaki Ninja H2SX and H2SX SE. Now, I got advanced wording from Kawasaki yesterday concerning the center stand. Now, the H2SX SE, the special edition, the center stand comes standard. For the SX model, you can purchase a center stand kit. So, for you SX model owners, if you purchased a center stand kit, whether through Kawasaki.com or through a dealer and had it put on, do not use it. If you ordered one, and we're going to put one on this weekend, sorry to ruin your plans, do not put one on. If you ordered the center stand kit from a third party, as in eBay or someone else, do not put it on and contact Kawasaki. For the SX SE Special Edition owners, again, do not use the center stand. Kawasaki will be contacting all you guys, except for the third-party purchasers of the kit, in the coming weeks. If you do not hear from Kawasaki, please give Kawasaki a call if you have not heard from them. If you call a dealer, they might not know about it just yet. Sometimes that happens in these situations where the dealers aren't notified. So call Kawasaki themselves. This was an advance notice from Kawasaki I got yesterday that there was an issue with the center stands. So I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys to let you guys know. You got a holiday weekend coming up. A lot of people are going to be riding and having fun, and I just want everybody to be safe. So this is why I'm doing this quick video today, so you guys are aware. So I recommend not using this stand until you guys hear from Kawasaki. Anyway, guys, that's what I wanted to give you the update on. Weekend's coming up. Everybody enjoy it. Happy Labor Day. And again, as always, ride safe, guys. See you next time.